Here's a Lincoln to take a look at Unique Specialty and Classics. It's a 1997 Lincoln Town Car Cartier Edition, and it is a beauty. It's a one-owner California car. Actually came out of San Jose, California. Clean Carfax, confirmed original miles, less than 32,000 original miles on this car, and it definitely shows. Ivory metallic with the ivory leather interior. Let's go ahead and take a look at this front fascia, grille. You can see free of any nicks, chips, anything like that. And look at this paint. And yes, this one looks as good in person as it does in the pictures and the videos. Speaking of pictures, take a look at it. Probably close to 100 pictures of this car online at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the correct Lincoln wheel, Goodyear Assurance radials, and take a look up and down the passenger side of this. I mean, just impressive. Again, free of any major nicks, dings, scratches. Just look up and down the side of that. Does have the wheel well trim in chrome. Then this interior split bench seat, and it shows like new yet. We'll get around to the driver's side. We'll start it up, let you hear it run. Of course, underneath the hood, 4.6 liter single overhead cam V8 engine paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. As we look at the passenger side from the rear to the front, see how straight those long panels are. Come around, let's take a look at the rear fascia. There'll be pictures in the trunk, the interior, engine bay, undersides, all in those still pictures. Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And once again, all those pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the descriptions. Going to take you right there. Let's go ahead and look from the rear to the front, down the driver's side. And again, you can see how straight this is, free of any nicks, dings, scratches. You might find a very small imperfection here or there, but there is nothing that stands out major on this car. Look at this interior. You can see pictures of the undersides, the doors. It's as clean as the rest of the car. Check that out in the still pictures. Still smells new. It smells like leather and new car on the interior. And of course, with the Lincoln Cartier Edition, you're going to have a very nicely equipped car. Of course, your modern amenities with power steering, power brakes, AC, but then all of the power seats both sides. You have the memory seating over here. You have the heated seats where you can change it from just the back portion heating, or the seating portion and the back portion. Of course, power mirrors, door locks, windows, seats. The reclining is also power. Steering wheel controls, driver's information center. I'm going to pause this a second. Let me grab the key and start it out, check out the exact miles, and listen to it run. Check out that engine bay. There we go. Let's fire this up. Check the exact miles. There it is, 31,889. No check engine lights, warning indicators, anything like that on. AM/FM cassette. Driver's information center. Electronic climate control. And just look at the rest of this dash. Not sun-baked, checked, faded, anything like that. You can tell this car was definitely stored indoors. There's home link transmitter for garage doors, openers up in the visor also. And let's take a little closer look at this interior. Look at the seating surface. Still like new. And you think that isn't just supple and soft, just what you'd expect. Man, comfortable. Of course, the rear visors. The Have the mirrors and lighted. Let's check this out. Look at that. Mid-90s luxury car, and this one is still in just incredible shape. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. It's what you'd expect. Again, 4.6 liter single overhead cam, V8 underneath the hood. I'm going to go ahead and pause it a second so we can check out that engine bay, and then we'll wrap this video up. Underside of the hood does not look like it's been driven in any sort of inclement weather. Look at how clean that hood liner is. Wow. I think we know what the engine bay is going to look like. Look at this. Take your time looking through the still pictures. Remember, we have an open door policy. You want an inspector to come take a look at it if you can't see it yourself. Have them check it out. This one sure appears in person the way it does in the pictures and video. 1997 Lincoln Town Car, Cartier edition. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1997 Lincoln Town Car. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but the roads are primarily dry, and we do wash our vehicles so we can do these videos for you. If you see any flickering in the dash gauges, it's just our camera's frame rate. The gauges actually look great. They're full digital. Temperature is showing just below half, and the fuel gauge is showing 2/3 of a tank. This is a really nice, smooth running car, smooth riding car, comfortable, basically a luxury car. Cartier interior. Not getting any shimmies or shakes.
Yeah, if you like Chris Rock.
Radio works good. Goes nice and straight down the road. You don't need to adjust for any alignment issues. It's nice and straight. Brakes are smooth and work well. You definitely want to check this out at uniqueclassiccars.com. I'll get her up to speed here one more time. Good acceleration. This has heated seats, fully adjustable seats. It's definitely a great cruising car. GoPro, stop capturing.